Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk add email aliases to user accounts in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. There are often times when manager needs to bulk add email aliases to user accounts in Google Workspace. xFanatical Foresight automation tool offers a convenient and efficient solution for managing email aliases across multiple user accounts. Some of its advantages are: it allows doing the task for thousands of users simultaneously. It can complete the task efficiently without any coding. It saves time and increases productivity. Thus, Foresight is highly recommended for large organizations. How to bulk add email aliases to user accounts in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page. Click the blue button at the bottom right to create a new rule. Step 1. In the Select a Trigger screen, click the Data Uploaded trigger. Upload the CSV file with updated information. Wait for the file to be parsed. Click on Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Add User Email Alias action. Grant permission for Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Once done successfully, the status will be changed to Access Granted. In the primary email field, choose Email, and in the Email Alias field, select Email Aliases. After that, click on the Review button. Step 3. Enter the name of the rule, then click on Create. You will see the rule has been created. Triggering of the rule. Click on the Upload icon of the rule card and upload the same CSV file again. This process will take a few seconds longer. Verification of results. Notification will come in the top right corner of the Rules page. Within the notification, click on View Log to see detailed log information. Alternatively, you can also find this information on the Logs page. It will display successful triggering of the rule. Verifying it from the Google Admin console. Click on the username after filtering the users by email. Navigate to the contact information. Here you'll find the newly added alternate email for the user. Repeat this process for other users to achieve the same result. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.